Today we are unboxing the Melissa and Doug Dust Sweep and Mop set. Now let's open it. Let's open it, everybody. Stop it. Let me up. Oops. Okay, we got it. Okay, we got it. Good. Hold on to the box. Okay, well, I'm still. Yeah. Got it. Hooray! We did. It comes with a broom, mop, duster, brush, dustpan, and a storage stand. Well, let's open it up. Okay, over. I'm getting this sweet little mop. Okay, I'm getting this. You take it tighter. And look at the screen thing. Wow, these brushes are real soft. The handle is made out of real wood. It will last us a long time if we take good care of it. Let's take it to a playhouse and play! I can't wait to clean up a playhouse. If you like this